Hi, I'm Lon Lamb, and today I'm going to show you how to make all-purpose chicken broth in an Instant Pot. The Instant Pot is super popular because it speeds up recipes that might take much longer to cook traditionally. Pat 3 pounds of chicken wings dry with paper towels. Set the Instant Pot to the highest sauté function and heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil just until it begins to smoke. This will take about 5 minutes. Add half of the chicken wings to the pot and brown them on both sides. This should take about 10 minutes. The intense heat at the bottom of the pot draws juices from the chicken and browns them. This creates hundreds of compounds that give the broth its rich brown color and satisfyingly savory flavor. Remove the browned wings from the pot. Repeat the browning process with the remaining chicken wings. Now that all the wings are browned and out of the pot, add 1 chopped onion to the fat that remains and cook until it's softened and well browned, 8 to 10 minutes. Add 3 garlic cloves that have been peeled and lightly crushed and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Stir in 1 cup of water, scraping up any browned bits. Then stir in 11 cups of water, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 bay leaves, and the browned wings. Lock the lid in place and close the pressure release valve. Select the high pressure cook function and cook for 1 hour. A tightly sealed pot makes it very difficult for water to turn into steam. This allows the water to reach temperatures that are much higher than usual. The result? Faster cooking. Once the hour is up, turn off the Instant Pot and let the pressure release naturally for 15 minutes. Then, quick release any remaining pressure. Carefully remove the lid, allowing the steam to escape away from you. Strain the broth through a fine mesh strainer into a large container. Press on the solids to extract as much liquid as possible. When you finish straining, discard the solids. Use a large spoon or ladle to skim the excess fat from the surface of the broth. The broth can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for up to 2 months. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.